Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the channel. Today, by the thumbnail, I guess you guys know what it's gonna be. The Hubley transport. This thing is sweaty cool and I wanna bring it back to its former glory. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get a good look at this thing. The car, yeah, the paint's gone on it. The wheels are still in good shape, but yeah, it's not bad. You can pop them wheels off, clean them up, clean the axles. Same thing with the toy hauler. Same thing with the transport. We can Dremel the end down, pop the wheels off, clean the axles up, clean the tires up. The tires, again, are in really good shape. So that's actually kind of cool. We'll strip all the old paint off as much as possible. We'll throw a nice coat of primer on there and we will commence the painting. What I think I'm going to do is keep the body a red, orange, something of that nature, and the chassis part I'm going to keep a silver. I'm going to throw it on the wire wheel real lightly, try and clean it up the best I can, and we'll go from there. So I say we try and pull this apart. I don't even know if I can. Oh, yep, I can do it that way. Haha, look at that. That's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Alright, so let me grab a Dremel. Ooh, that front tire's a little wonky, isn't it? Looks like it's got a mix-match tire assembly on there. Yeah, we'll see what we can do to try and get this thing in good working order here. Alright. Grab my Dremel. There we go. Now I just got to repeat the process. Well, I'm going to have to, I tried using the Dremel on the wheels. As you can see, it didn't do too good. So I'm going to have to sit here with a little file and try and just work this little bead off here. So I can push it through the frame. It's not as easy as it looks. It's just little tiny bits at a time. Alright, well here it is all broken down. That took a little while. The front the axles in the little toy hauler car are two-piece axles. I was not expecting that at all. And then they have this little piece of metal in the front where the two axles slide together. So we're going to get a little creative. We might make a solid axle. I'm not sure right offhand, but I kind of gouged up the sides of this thing pretty good. So let me go throw some sandpaper on this, try and clean it up right quick. I'm going to go for a little piece of 1000 grit. Try and sand on that a little, see if that'll kind of buff out. Oh yeah, sure it will. Alright, cool. Well, at least I know that whatever damage I did to it, I can get it out. That's cool. So from what I can find, the Hubley Manufacturing Company started in, I believe it was 1894 in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. They started making toys around 1909. The company closed around 1980, I think. But this transporter was made sometime in the 50s. I can't find an exact date, but I know that they sold for about $5 a piece, so I know $5 was a lot of money back then, but hell, look how old this toy is, and it's still in relatively good shape, so that's pretty amazing, right? What I think I'm going to do, I think I'm going to put the wheels all in a hot soapy bath. We do have one mix match wheel. It's unfortunate, but I'm going to hide this on the double axle on the back of the thing, and no one will even know. I might even try and throw it on a combination sander and sand it down a little bit. Who knows? We'll see where this little project takes us. But I definitely want to get these tires cleaned up real quick. I'm not going to show you the boring stuff of me washing them, because that's just ridiculous. Let's get the axles, wheels, axles put over here. I'm going to lay down a piece of cardboard and throw some 2-in-2 gum cutter on here, see if this will take this old paint off there. Give it a real good coating, let that stuff just sit on there a while. Yep, just let that sit on there a while. Alright, so that 2-in-2 didn't really do anything to this lead paint. Well, I don't even know if it's lead paint. I'm kind of sure it is. It's pretty heavy duty stuff. But I'm going to let this stripper sit on here a while. Hopefully this stuff will do something to it, loosen it up a little bit. And then we can go from there. I guess it's working all right. Alright, so we're going to throw a quick coat of primer on this. Alright guys, well I don't have the same exact orange red, so I'm just going to go with a red. I think it'll look pretty good, especially when I get all the embellishments done on there. Alright, let's hit these axles real quick. You can see the rust. Let's get that stuff off there. All right. Well, here it all is in all of its glory. I am going to hit probably some little embellishments where it says Hubley Transport and a couple little bolts and stuff on there. Probably hit that with some silver after it's all said and done. I think that would look pretty cool. Hopefully I have a fine enough paint pen, which I hope I do. I want to start reassembling this stuff. Nice. Woohoo! Look at that thing. So this guy's probably just going to sit on the front like that. Rock out with his awesome self there. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'll put him on the inside. Who knows? Regardless, he's cool. Okie doke. So now it is, let me put the chassis back together before I start on the transport itself. Look at that. Bad mamma jammer, right? Thing's sweaty cool, sweaty cool. Especially for an old Hubley. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. The Hubley Transport came out pretty good. It's something a little different and I'm quite happy about that too. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. See you next week with another one. Bye. Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing the Hubley Transport. I say without any further ado, break it.